I'm excited here today to be with you in Maui, to share all the work we're doing in the world of compute. It's been an incredible year, and hopefully you'll see today that Qualcomm is more than ever committed to this category, in case any of you had any doubt, to bring the best of mobile to the PC. Let's start with a quick recap of what we've achieved to date. You know, like the theme of the other days, many firsts. We introduced the first gigabit LTE PC, first true multi-day battery life you can believe, first 7-nanometer PC platform, and last but not least, the first 5G PC. Multiple generations of platforms, and we've done all of this in a couple of years, bringing the fast pace of mobile innovation to the PC. Let's take a look at some of the designs our OEMs launched after the past couple of years. Beautiful, thin, fanless designs. And the reason we gave each of you a fan in your bags the other day is because we don't believe that fans should be in your PC. And if you haven't used that fan, use it. It's really good. Long battery life, and that's battery life that's measured in days, not hours. And most of these are premium devices at premium price points. We realize that. And we know that many of you have experienced these devices. I've seen quite a few with you with these devices out here in Maui. And you know and the value that we're bringing to the PC. Our definition and value proposition for the always-on, always-connected PC continues to grow stronger. Productivity and the power of all versions of Windows 10, true connected standby experience, no hibernate, instant on, always productive, and no waiting, just like your phone. And of course, lightning fast connectivity with multi-gigabit LTE speeds. You don't need to search for unsecure Wi-Fi. And the one a lot of people love, no more dragging around your power cord. Battery life that lasts for days, great battery life. And premium levels of performance. And as we expand modern enterprise-based security without all the vulnerabilities that are present in legacy solutions, along with other security features of the platform. And of course, industry-leading 5G. And actually, we're very happy to see 5G being highlighted by the rest of the compute industry as a requirement to drive these experiences to the next level. A quick look at the latest premium devices. The innovative Surface Pro X, which is available in some markets and more markets rolling out. The ultra-thin Galaxy Book S, 11 millimeters thick, tapering down to 6. And of course, Lenovo's 5G PC be launching soon. But what about other product tiers? These all premium devices. A large portion of the market is still stuck on traditional form factors. What does a typical $500 PC look like? Thick, heavier, not great form factors, poor battery life. You know, we took 6.5 hours from spec sheets. I think you all know you probably have to divide that by 2. And only Wi-Fi. Not capable of supporting next generation experience with AI. Ladies and gentlemen, that's not what we call a mobile PC. And I'm sure you all agree. We've been on this journey redefining the mobile PC, changing many years of legacy, repeat, and all the hard work by Qualcomm's passionate employees. We have some exciting news to share with you today, and we'll play a quick video.
Anytime you try to disrupt a decades-old category, There will be naysayers.
There were a lot of people that just didn't believe that this could happen.
They believe this is going to be Windows RT all over again.
Is it going to be powerful enough?
Folks who think that we would never be able to scale this product.
Do I really need connectivity?
Some skeptics who believe that we won't get anywhere.
I think we've proved them wrong. As the PC industry has tried to move to more mobile computing, there have been barriers that have stood in their way because of the historic architecture.
Everybody feels the pain point of battery life. Everybody wants to be connected all the time.
You can think of it as kind of like a chicken and egg problem. You want to make sure that there's applications for this new kind of product, but you need the product out there to get the applications.
What has helped us accelerate that is having Microsoft on board to ignite the ecosystem along with Qualcomm.
The modern workplace is changing.
Things are moving to the cloud. What it means is they're able to get access to their data anywhere they are.
Bringing the best of the mobile into your PC has value, and it brings those experiences that consumers want.
It needs someone like Qualcomm to really go in and really disrupt this space.
Performance is actually more than just how fast your CPU runs.
The Qualcomm chipset is built on a heterogeneous computing platform. So we've built very specific cores that are very performant at very efficient power.
An SoC that's highly integrated, it's more than a CPU. It's got your GPU, it's got your multimedia engines, it's got AI engines, it's got your built-in connectivity.
Superior performance, but while not compromising on the ID, thermal, and power.
The OS is able to figure out which cores it needs to run on, and so that gives us the ability to really focus on performance and power at the same time.
You click the power key and the device is on. It has all your emails.
Just think about it. I mean, you touch your device, you power it on.
We are measuring battery life in days, not in hours.
Customers are really excited about it, and they're just blown away.
They're not as heavy to carry around. You can connect anywhere, whether it's over LTE, over Wi-Fi.
Having the LTE connectivity and 5G connectivity is going to introduce a new level of security that is going to help the enterprises protect their data.
Huge enterprises love this product because it allows them to be free.
You don't really realize the little conveniences until you're actually using it. It really is a game changer.
We're excited today to introduce this expanded portfolio of Snapdragon compute platforms.
This will enable us to bring these powerful experiences to everyone.
And not just offering AI at the premium tier or at the mainstream tier, but all the way down at the entry tier.
There's work coming with future SoCs that are going to take the compute platform even farther forward, and so work on those projects has already started.
Qualcomm's DNA and who we are, inventing things and bringing these extreme, bold, new, creative experiences to life.
Think of the next generation as they grow up. They are expecting that all the devices are connected anywhere, anytime.
What we're trying to do is bring the best of the smartphone to the PC to make the PC experience more relevant again.
With our expanded portfolio and 5G, we are redefining mobile computing.
Ladies and gentlemen, joining the Snapdragon 8CX, we are thrilled to announce our 7C and 8C compute platforms to create a complete compute portfolio. Okay, you get my good side? Yeah? Get the mic, it's cool. Ladies and gentlemen, we're introducing these platforms to address entry-level, mainstream, and premium mobile PCs. We're taking these premium experiences to more price points and performance levels with our OEM partners. We believe that everyone deserves a modern PC experience. Long battery life, always connected, fast connectivity. Ladies and gentlemen, we believe that there needs to be a Snapdragon for everyone. There are many features and capabilities that work together to define user experiences. And when we optimize these user experiences, we do so across all of our product tiers. We believe that it's important to be performant, be efficient, provide security, and offer fast connectivity, and deliver modern experiences with AI. which you've all heard about AI over the past couple of days, it's very important in a computing product as well. And we do this across, again, all of our platforms, not just premium. Let's dig deeper into each of these pillars that define the Snapdragon PC experience. When consumers think about performance, it's not just GPU and CPU anymore. The world has changed. The top things people care about, which I expect a lot of you here would relate to, heavy PC users. Long battery life, fast internet speed, and startup times, because nobody likes waiting. Cool and thin devices. Consumers view all of these as measures of performance, in addition to CPU and GPU. All Snapdragon compute platforms are designed to meet these expectations. We will deliver multi-day battery life, instant on, and fast connectivity across all of these tiers of products. Let's take a look at the second pillar. We live in a connected world, making security and connectivity very, very important. With LTE and 5G, users can now connect secure from anywhere, reducing the risk of connecting to unsecure Wi-Fi, especially business users. And with support for Microsoft's Secured Core PC initiative, devices are now protected with the hardware root of trust that help defend against firmware-level attacks, which are very common today. In fact, the Surface Pro X is the only Surface that ships by default as a Secured Core PC. We have other great features like GPS, which most people aren't used to in a PC, that will enable great geofencing capabilities, enabling device tracking, location access policies that will help keep business data secure. In summary, all tiers of the Snapdragon compute platform offer comprehensive security and great connectivity solutions for both consumers and business users. Let's take a look at this third pillar. AI is changing user experiences by making devices smarter. Everything from improved voice, you've seen a lot of examples over the past couple of days, gesture recognition, in some of these modern PCs, improving pen experiences, improving drawing, handwriting recognition, and with improved security, biometric security, and other massive improvements to computational photography. In fact, you may have seen one of these experiences demonstrated at the Surface Pro X launch event, and we have a demo for you this afternoon to show you how this works. It's a feature called gaze correction, or gaze technology feature. This feature adjusts the appearance of your eyes on a video conference, maintaining eye contact with the person you talk to, creating a much more personal connection than you just staring at that camera. This feature sounds fairly simple, but requires a significant amount of computational power. Normally, such a feature on an x86 PC would draw an additional 15 watts of power in addition to whatever it's using, which, if you calculate, makes this feature very difficult on most PCs today. Using the Qualcomm integrated AI engine, this feature consumes 50 times less power, only 300 milliwatts. You heard me correctly. I said 50 times less power. And we believe in delivering these efficient AI experiences across all of Snapdragon compute tiers, not just premium. Let's take a look at these platforms. We'll start with the 7C. We are upgrading the entry-level PC. Let's take a quick video of this platform. One back, please. We're out of sequence. We'll get there. Our exciting new 7C compute platform delivers an octa-core Cryo CPU and Adreno GPU graphics engine with up to 25% better system performance than competing platforms. The AI engine brings greater than 5 TOPS of performance. This is more AI performance, ladies and gentlemen, than what is possible in our competitors' premium tier, and this is our entry tier. All of this exceptional performance and efficiency allows us to deliver up to 2 times the battery life in this entry tier versus our competitors' platforms. And of course, the integrated Snapdragon LTE modem enables the always connected experience. With all of this, we are upgrading the entry-level PC. As you heard on day one, modules are becoming an increasingly important to enable all of these different categories of products, including computing. We've integrated all of these key components, application processor, Wi-Fi, memory, all the things that make up the system, all into a single package. And we're including the modem and RF. This system in a package will be certified with operators worldwide. This will eliminate the need for OEMs in the compute world to have complex RF and design expertise to develop these great innovative products. This will enable faster time to market, reduce development cost. It's another step we are taking to upgrade the entry-level PC, which will bring better form factors and devices for consumers. Next, let's take a look at the mainstream segment. With our 8C Snapdragon compute platform, we are revitalizing the mainstream PC. Quick video. The 8C is an energy-efficient 7-nanometer solution that was purpose-built for compute. Yes, we can build 7-nanometer parts, bringing instant-on, multi-day battery life to mainstream Windows 10 PCs. I know some of you got that. The Snapdragon 8C platform delivers up to 30% faster system-level performance. And in this mainstream tier, we will deliver over 6 TOPS of dedicated AI acceleration, integrated X24 LTE modem, or our X55 5G solution, enabling multi-gigabit speeds for seamless cloud computing. 8C, just like our other platforms, will enable always-on, always-connected experience, beautiful, and remember, fanless designs. And at the premium level, we, of course, have 8CX, delivering our extreme performance, extreme battery life, and extreme connectivity, if you remember from last year. With this expanded portfolio, we're now able to deliver the best mobile experience to more users. Here with us to talk today about the ecosystem is Nicole from Microsoft. Please join me in welcoming Nicole.
So digital transformation is the topic of the day. It's a phenomenon that's fueling organizations, both their success and their failure. And it really starts with people. How do we empower people? We have to empower them with awesome technology, enabling them to create more, to do more, to solve more. Through our collaboration with Qualcomm, we're enabling digital transformation through devices, through services, and through connectivity. This combination of localized compute, services like Microsoft 365, and a powerful cloud make it possible to do things that have simply never been possible before. So let's dive into what's making it possible. It starts with joint innovation on Qualcomm-powered devices. Microsoft and Qualcomm are working together to deliver intelligent edge devices. There's so many options at different price points for businesses, for consumers, for students. Now, today's computers look different because they are different. They are packed with technology, things like solid-state drives in Z-height. What does this mean for customers? It means speed, durability, great design, and security. The current generation of connected PCs built on Qualcomm Snapdragon 850 compute platform include the Samsung Galaxy Book 2, the Lenovo Yoga C630. Customers are giving us such great feedback about these devices. They love the all-day battery and instant on capability. This is giving them unprecedented productivity. The next generation of devices includes the Samsung Galaxy Book S, Microsoft Surface Pro X, and coming in 2020, the Lenovo 5G PC. These devices have incredibly long battery life, they're attractive and ultra-thin designs, and so importantly, they are cloud connected. This gives businesses the experience they need and consumers the experience they love. The Qualcomm portfolio of devices is enhanced with the introduction of 7C and 8C compute platforms that Miguel just talked about. This new innovation will empower businesses, frontline workers, and students around the world, providing great performance and very long battery life, now at entry-level price points. We have seen incredible innovation from PC manufacturers on the premium Snapdragon 8CX chips. Now we get to bring this to new lower-cost devices for customers. This is also a new opportunity for channel partners, and it will enable us to reach even more customers into the emerging markets. And finally, as the market opportunity for ARM devices grows, so too is the opportunity for application developers to further optimize their solutions for ARM64. Examples like Microsoft's new Edge browser and Adobe's announcement that they're bringing their entire Creative Cloud suite to ARM64. More applications means better experiences. So we've talked about devices. What's important about a device is the experience it gives a customer. So let's talk a little bit about the services. Traditionally, a person buys a PC, it comes with Windows, they buy Office, they buy some applications. If they're an enterprise, they get some services to put on top of that. Somebody has to select and manage and install those processes. We're evolving the business model to Device as a Service, or DaaS. This is a complete connected solution that includes Windows 10, Office 365, enterprise mobility and security. And what does it do? It unlocks the creator in all of us. It fuels teamwork, and it helps businesses to secure their users, their data, and their devices. It helps organizations to simplify their hardware management, implementing end-to-end rollout, freeing up their IT staff while securely connecting to business-critical applications. It also offers intelligence and analytics to help to manage setup, configuration, and upgrade to their next great device. The common thread in all of this is the ability to be always on and always connected. That is really fundamental. So let's talk about connectivity. The third element for transformation is 5G connectivity. 5G will accelerate a new wave of computing, a rapid increase of IoT and edge devices. There's a significant opportunity for devices to take advantage of processing very high volumes of data at much faster speeds. There are so many great examples of what 5G will do for customer experiences. First, I'll talk about Windows Virtual Desktop. Over remote, PC users can connect a high-performance desktop-level application, so like a 4D presentation, with very low latency. We recently spoke to an architecture firm that's designing city blocks. Now, with the low latency of 5G, a client can actually walk through the model and experience the architect's vision. Next is OneDrive. Movie downloads that would typically take 6 minutes to download will now take 3 seconds. And finally, mobile phones provide just a fantastic on-the-go gaming experience, and Microsoft is committed to creating more ways to play. Next year, we will bring Project xCloud to Snapdragon-based Windows PCs, and with 5G, those games are gonna rock. Digital transformation on the intelligent edge has never been more achievable. Through our collaboration with Qualcomm and PC manufacturers, intelligent edge devices are faster, they're more affordable, more functional, and more connected. I want to say a very big thank you to Miguel and the Qualcomm team for having me here today. The next generation of Snapdragon-based PCs will continue to give customers great performance and battery life. And when coupled with powerful services like Microsoft 365 over leading-edge 4G and 5G connectivity, digital transformation is real, and it's here today. Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks, Nicole. We're excited about working with Microsoft on this digital transformation, as we believe 5G will offer exciting opportunities that will accelerate this transformation. And we believe that 5G millimeter wave can elevate these user experiences to new heights, bringing gigabit speeds, multi-gigabit speeds, ultra-low latency, and virtually unlimited capacity to a wide range of devices, including PCs. Today, most offices have Wi-Fi connectivity. With 5G millimeter wave private networks, enterprises can realize the modern workplace, bringing enhanced performance, security, and user experiences that are not possible with today's connectivity solutions. We have conducted various speed tests, system-level simulations in our headquarters in San Diego, and we achieved medium throughput of 5 gigabits per second indoors within the office locations. 5G will take these use cases like cloud computing that Nicole talked about, real-time collaboration, and this immersive telepresence experiences to the next level. To talk about some of these modern experiences, I would like to welcome Eric from Zoom.
Thank you, Miguel.
Thank you, Eric.
It's a pleasure to be here representing Zoom. My name is Eric Yu, Hardware Partnership from Zoom. We are excited to announce our partnership with with Qualcomm on Snapdragon Compute. Let me give you some background about Zoom video communications. I believe many of you have used Zoom before. Headquartered in San Jose, California, Zoom offers video-first unified communications with a reliable cloud platforms for video and audio conferencing, collaboration, chat, phone, and webinar across mobile devices, laptop, desktop, phone, and room system. Zoom is known for just work every single time. Founded in 2011 by Eric Yuan, Zoom went public on NASDAQ, April 2019. Gartner, the world's leading information technology research firm, positioned Zoom in leader quadrant of 2019 meeting solutions. With over 2,200 employees worldwide, 18 global offices, and 15 global data centers, Zoom truly has global reach. Our global user base continues to grow healthy and rapidly, with year-over-year 96% revenue growth, 3-year cash flow positive. Our customers love our product and services based on consistent high Net Promoter Score. In fact, customers who switch to Zoom report big increase in performance, trust, and engagement. Over 90% see increase in performance and video usage. Over 80% report greater sense of trust and engagement. Zoom is built for modern team. We bring HD video and audio to your meeting with support up to 1,000 video participants, 49 videos on screen. We have built-in collaboration tools so multiple participants can share content simultaneously and co-annotate the content. Recording and transcript locally and to the cloud with searchable transcript. Meet securely with streamlined calendar integrations. Team chat, support group, searchable histories, built-in file transfer, 10-year archive. Coming January, we will add simultaneous translations, meeting timeline, which archive who in the meeting, action note, searchable transcript. So you don't have to take meeting note anymore. Also, we add immersive PowerPoint presentation and the video as virtual background to improve your user experience, no matter where you are. Zoom is highly adapted to network conditions, but to maximize user experience and the capability of our platforms. Low latency and high bandwidth can really push this limit. We are excited to demo prototype Windows Zoom client running in native ARM64 this afternoon. Tests show fantastic results on Snapdragon compute laptop. I have personally used Surface Pro X for a week, and it works fantastic. The long battery life, fairness design, dual 4K monitor support on Snapdragon compute laptop is incredible. And we are really excited about Snapdragon and 5G. Zoom will be able to take mobile experience, mobile collaboration experience, and video conferencing to the next level. Make it more accessible to broader audience. More people can Zoom anywhere, anytime. Thank you. Thank you, Mika.
Thank you, Eric. Thanks, Eric. We're really excited to be working with partners like Zoom as we enable this next generation of user experiences. We're amazed how quickly this digital transformation is happening in the enterprise. As an example, we would like to show you a video of Southland Industries, an enterprise who is leading the way in this digital transformation. So let's look at this video.
At Qualcomm, connectivity is in our DNA. We brought you 3G, we brought you 4G, and now 5G is the new unifying platform for connectivity that we're going to use to now expand into new industries.
Southland is one of the largest MEP contractors in the country. They specialize in mechanical, electrical, and plumbing. In the past, to be able to accomplish the collaboration that we needed, we were replicating 50 terabytes across 17 different locations. To remove all those copies, we moved everything to Microsoft Azure, and to access that data, we're using WorkSpot virtual workstations on Azure.
With enterprises moving to the cloud, productivity applications, collaboration applications, and WorkSpot Virtual Desktop, users need to be connected. That connectivity needs to be fast and secure. With the Snapdragon Compute Platform, we wanted to bring the best of the smartphone to the PC to enable thin, sleek, fanless designs with great battery life, always on, always connected, anytime, anywhere.
Now that we've moved all of our data to Azure and we're using WorkSpot VDI to access that data, we want to allow our users to really be able to be mobile and have the ability to access that data anywhere they are. With 5G, we're removing the barriers and providing more opportunities to be more productive. By using the Snapdragon technology, they have high speed, long battery life, and are able to access this data from any location.
We are redefining mobile computing with 5G. Higher bandwidth, lower latencies.
This 5G experience on PCs is going to revolutionize what consumers and enterprise users are able to experience.
We're very excited about our transition to the Snapdragon 5G compute platform, which will complement our migration to the cloud.
As more and more data moves to the cloud, 5G is going to transform how people do things and where people do things.
When you take our 5G technology and combine it with the Snapdragon compute platform, we will revolutionize the always-on, always-connected PC experience.
It's great to see how these progressive companies like Southland Industries, with award-winning IT organizations, are integrating Snapdragon technologies to improve productivity, enable true mobility. 5G will take these experiences to the next level. What else are we doing to enable this modern workplace? We've taken our ATX platform and we've optimized it specifically for business customers. Taking an already great platform and improving performance further with 9 TOPS of dedicated AI acceleration, increased security, enterprise-grade security, blazing fast 5G, Wi-Fi 6. We're delivering the best productivity experiences that enterprise users need. In summary, unless you guys want to go for another couple hours. Huh? In summary, today we've added 7C and 8C to our Snapdragon compute portfolio to enable these real, always-on, always-connected PCs, delivering incredible battery life and his next-generation AI experiences across premium, mainstream, and entry tiers. And we don't need a special project name for these products. They all deliver these great capabilities. We are enabling Snapdragon for everyone. And in case you're wondering, yes, we have supply. Thank you, and mahalo. I would like to welcome Don back on stage.
All right, Miguel, thank you. Miguel is not the only one who gets to wear a t-shirt on stage. So you see me, so you know what that means. We're almost over. So hang with me for a few more minutes. We started off this week, we kicked it off with a video at Snapdragon Tech Summit this year with a simple thought that everyone deserves a device experience powered by the best. Cristiano spoke about scaling 5G, the realities of how this unified connectivity fabric is being built to deliver capacity, reliability, coverage, and most importantly, next level experiences. Then Alex came on and continued that theme of scale by sharing the details of the Snapdragon 765 and how 765 will allow our partners to bring 5G to billions of people with a global feature set designed for devices that scale across price points. But that was just the setup for what was always at the heart of Snapdragon Summit, our next generation flagship mobile platform, the Snapdragon 865, aka the Beast, aka the best. Our team of talented Qualcommers then took you for a ride on a journey ranging from development to feature delivery, providing tangible proof points, showcasing once again how our tiny little dragon will break barriers, blow through benchmarks, and deliver the best. Because after all, we all deserve the best. After getting our geek on yesterday around 865, we focus today, as we have in the past, talking about how our powerful little dragon cannot be contained solely in a smartphone form factor. Snapdragon continues to have major game in XR and compute, with the intro of XR2 and the expanded Snapdragon compute portfolio, 8CX Enterprise, 8C, and 7C. And as Cristiano has said often on stage, Qualcomm has always been about enabling ecosystems, putting power and creativity into our partners' hands for the benefit of their products and their customers. And we are honored that so many of them could join us on stage over the past 3 days. I want to give all of our partners a big round of applause. And finally, on behalf of the Snapdragon Summit team and thousands of Qualcommers all over the world, I want to thank you, our audience, for taking 3 days out of your valuable time to listen, absorb, discuss, interact, and report. We truly appreciate having you here with us on the beautiful island of Maui. Please enjoy the rest of your stay. See you at the luau this evening, and most importantly, see you next year. Mahalo.